This is the closing market report for Thursday on the Iowa Agribusiness Radio Network. I'm Riley Smith. On the phone right now with Bill Moore of Price Futures Group as we wrap up another day in the ag marketplace. Bill, what have we seen going on in the grain and livestock markets today?
Well, it's all about the crude oil today and exports, I would say. Crude oil is up $5. More fears about the Iran war. The market is right now up 5, and look at the quick chart of the April crude. New highs for the rally. It's up for the week, about $15. And that's got the grain's attention because of the tie-in between energy, biofuels, and ethanol, demand for beans and corn. Plus the exports this morning in corn were 2.18 million metric tons, well over the range they were looking for. We've had 2 flash sales of corn this week. And as well, on Monday, we had exports running about 1.8 million metric tons, corn 1.1, and beans. Exports, better demand for the biofuels. The market's taking its cue and running with it. Basically, corn up today 10 cents in the March. March beans are up 10, and March wheat up 13. So double-digit gains across the board. Livestock continues to feed off great fundamentals. Tight supplies, lowest cattle herd in 75 years. April cattle is at a big discount to the cash. We're looking at the best demand period of the year coming right around the corner, the grilling season. All those things are driving cattle higher, and I think cattle will continue to rise through the month of March.
All right, Bill, lots of great information today. For anyone who would like to get in touch for more marketing information and check out your newsletter, how can they do that?
630-947-5176, wmorepricegroup.com. Check out my newsletter, Agmaster, www.pricegroup.com. Company website, look at the bios of Jack Scoble, myself. Both been there a long time. We'd love to help you out.
That again was Bill Moore of Price Futures Group. We'll look at the numbers next.
In rural Iowa, you need reliable information. The Iowa Agribusiness Radio Network brings you ag-specific content like market trends, weather outlooks, and policy updates that matter to your operation, while your local station brings you community news and consistent updates on what is happening in your area. It's a partnership built for the challenges of rural life. Your farm, your local station, and your friends at the Iowa Agribusiness Radio Network, where Iowa Ag matters. Find us online at iowaagnet.com.
At the close, May corn up 9 3/4 at $4.53.5. May soybeans up 9 3/4 as well at $11.79 1/4. May soybean meal down 60 cents at $3.0930. Soybean oil up to $11 at $65.70. Chicago wheat up 15.5 at $5.83 3/4. Kansas City hard red winter wheat up 20 even at $5.92.5. Minneapolis spring wheat up 10 1/4 at $6.19.5. May oats up 8 3/4 at $3.34.5. On the Merc, April live cattle up 17 cents at $238.52. March feeders down $1.32 at $362.60. April lean hogs down $1.40 at $95.67. Pork cutout went unchanged at $103.40. And March Class 3 milk down 12 cents at $16.45. That's been a check of the closing market prices. Thanks again to Bill Moore of Price Futures Group for joining us today here on the Iowa Agribusiness Radio Network, where Iowa Ag matters. I'm Riley Smith.